let's just hop right in, shall we? My kitchen is obviously a hot mess, and I gotta go ahead and take care of this. If you are new to my channel, my name is Desiree Kennedy. Thank you for stopping by. I like to have a clean home, and I know that everybody else does too, so I am just here to motivate you, push you, inspire you to have a clean home. Through my videos, my goal, I guess, is always just to make sure like people know that they can do it, you know? Because I know there's a lot of things like time, energy, and just life, like we get so busy, but it's just like we can do it, you know? So anyway, I'm editing this voiceover and we have Miss Zara right here. I'm just in her room and she's playing as I edit, you know, mom things. This is like a mom cleaning video. So whenever you hear her in the background playing, just, you know, don't mind that. Right now I'm cleaning my glass stovetop. This is my favorite way to clean it. I just use Easy Off and plastic wrap. I spray it all over. Well, I think first I got all the crumbs off. I didn't really pay attention, but so get the crumbs off and then spray Easy Off all over, and then you're just gonna lay saran wrap on top and you're gonna let that sit like overnight, hours. You want it to sit for hours, because if you do it for like only 1 hour, it's not gonna work as good. But if you do it overnight, literally your stovetop is gonna look brand freaking new. And it has to be the yellow Easy Off. I tried the fume-free one because it's a really strong chemical, like it is super strong. So I tried to switch to the fume-free and it wasn't cleaning the stove. Like it was cleaning it, but not as good as just that yellow regular Easy Off. So I used to edit my videos at night when Michael and Zara were asleep because I felt like, not embarrassed, but I felt like there should not have been any like background noise whatsoever in my voiceovers. And now, I don't know, I don't really care, just because this is literally my life. And it's not always gonna be, you know, soundless in the back. You know, I have a real life. Like, these are real things that I do, and just because like they're awake and making sound doesn't mean that I can't edit a video. And I don't think anybody's actually bothered by hearing like little noises in the back. It makes it like more real, you know? It makes it a little more authentic to me and my page, because I am a mom, and this is like my whole thing is like I'm a mom and I clean, you know? But I was going to say, I'm also not like a professional, so I don't really expect like professional standards to my videos. Like I'm just filming this on my iPhone and I edit everything on my iPhone. Like it's all me, you know? As a content creator, I think I've like really discovered my niches for each of my accounts. So I noticed that on TikTok and YouTube, my cleaning videos, they do so good. But if I try anything else, like my fashion or beauty, like they just flop so bad. But on Instagram, my fashion stuff does super good on there. So I guess that's what I do. So Insta's like for fashion and home, and then TikTok and YouTube is definitely cleaning. I think a big tip that I have to keeping the house clean is honestly just like you literally clean your house every day and you just pay attention to the little stuff. Like if you see something has spilled in the fridge, like clean it as soon as you see it. Or if there's stuff on the floor, like just go pick it up and put it away. That's a big thing to put things away. Don't like put things somewhere, put them away, if that makes sense. And then another thing is, like, so during the day, I let Zara bring her toys downstairs, but at the end of the night, all of her toys go back to her room. And I feel like that helps so much, not having like a chaotic downstairs. Because if I just let her have like a toy bin down there, they would be thrown everywhere. Like even like upstairs in her room, her toys are like, I put them away, but she literally just takes them out. So like her mess can stay in her room. And then, yeah, like I feel like that helps a lot. Another thing is don't just keep things to keep them. Like if you're not using them at all and you haven't seen it in a year, you can most likely get rid of it unless it has like some sort of super important sentimental value. Like it's gotta go. I love that me and Michael are the same way in that part. Like we're really okay getting rid of things most of the time, and I think it's because our parents keep everything. Like they will have a paper from the freaking 80s and it's like, why do you have that? So I taught Zara the word granny because I think it's just such a funny word. Like I've never heard anybody, not in like in real life, I've never heard anybody call their grandma their nana granny. Like, so it's just so funny to me. So I'm teaching her to call my mom that. And well, because she's just like, she calls her nana and she calls my dad tata, nana tata, you know. And it's just so funny to hear her say granny. She says granny, granny. Zara, can you say granny? Granny. Sometimes when I'm editing these videos, it gets to like a point where I feel like I've talked so much already, but then if I don't talk, it's just like music and it's kind of boring. But it's like I can only talk to myself about so many things. You know, I am talking to you guys, but like in real life, it's like I'm just talking to myself and it's like, what do I talk about? Should I talk about Target for the 1000th time and this cute thing that I found? Because I did find something cute today. There were these little Christmas trees. They're $5 and I look under them and it lights up and I'm like, bruh, this lights up, I have to get them. So I got them and they're really cute, and I'll probably show it in a couple videos when I decorate for the house. November 1st, baby, it's all coming up. I shared them on my stories today on Instagram, and I felt like a little embarrassed because Halloween hasn't even passed yet and I'm already sharing about Christmas, and it's like I love Halloween too, but I feel like I already enjoyed it because I decorated so early this year. But it's the best. Like the earlier you decorate for these things, it makes the holiday season feel a lot longer, you know, and it's the best time of the year. It really is. So I saw a TikTok today and I don't remember the exact words, but basically it was like, how are you going to be bored in bed knowing that you have a dirty ass microwave? And I think that's so true. Sometimes my microwave, like it can get destroyed and I'm like, I definitely need to clean that. I know I've shared this before, but I'm here to share it again because it is incredible. This is a Zevo fly trap. And it's just a sticky pad and a light, and all those little flies, they get stuck in there, like flies, bugs, gnats, fruit flies, all of it. And it is so worth it. The initial like payout is $20 because you get like a sticky pad and the plug-in. But then after that, you just buy sticky pads, and I think they're $5 to $7 for a 2-pack. And I don't know, I think it's really worth it. My Thea did recommend something else. I don't remember what it was, but these sticky pads, these Zevos, they're working for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep using them. After Zara's birthday, we got COVID and the house was just getting slowly destroyed because we're all sick, and like I didn't clean for like a couple days. But also the pantry has just been insane because we had so many candies and chips and just snacks from her party that I never got to like organizing and put away because I was sick. But now I'm doing that, and it looks funny because we have just Ziploc baggies of chips, but they're for Michael. He'll just take them to work because he doesn't care. And it was really annoying to have like so many different bags of chips in there. So we just combine them all, and now he can have them for lunch. Another cleaning tip is to have a system. In the pantry, we have chips and breads and like, soft stuff on the top, and then that second is like all those OXO pop storage containers, and those were so good. We got them at Costco last year. I don't remember the price, but it was really cheap because it was on sale, and we got like 250 pieces. I don't know, not 50 pieces, but we got two boxes of like containers, and it was really worth it. It just makes everything look nicer and organized, and it still keeps the food fresh, so like why not, Costco definitely still sells them. Well, I feel like they do, I'm not too sure. But yeah, just check. It's literally called OXO Pop, and it comes with a whole kit of them. But you also don't have to spend like a whole grip of money. I mean, it was worth it for how much you got, but I mean, there are other alternatives. Like the Dollar Tree has really good organization stuff too. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And now it is the next morning and I'm taking off all the saran wrap and I'm just using it to like get all the excess easy off. Oh, the baby cry. Let me kiss. Oh my God. I just knocked her waters over. And then I just clean, oh my goodness, I lost my train of thought after that mishap. But okay, anyway, I just clean it all off with a sponge and water. And then after I get it all off, I spray it down with my glass cleaner and it's just alcohol and water. And then I wipe it down with a paper towel. It can't be a microfiber because I feel like all the little fuzzies get on there. But I wipe it down and then it looks brand spanking new. Clean, clean, clean with a capital C. It is now the end of the video. The kitchen is beautifully clean. And I have this clip just like really slow mode because I don't have enough footage, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.